This is Prestige Skate Shop,
35th Avenue.
Escapist skateboarding.
Furnace.
Plus Skateshop. And these are the top 5
Ways you can
Support skate
Shops during these
trying times.
tell people where your favorite shop is and to support them by buying their shop gear online.
Number 2, make an appointment for curbside pickup.
Be patient. Resources are kind of limited. Shops are doing the best that they can under the circumstances.
Don't get mad at your shop if they won't let you in. Shop on their website, choose curbside pickup, call ahead with an order. Just try to keep it safe as possible because you can't support your shop when they're sick.
Stay safe! Stay healthy. Stay smart.
And pretty soon, we'll all be skating together safely, like old times.
Oh yeah.
California on the right. Neil Blender, a favorite skater amongst his